Secondary school principals are on the spot following new revelations that they were inflating the number of candidates to facilitate cheating in national exams. The Kenyan Education Cabinet Secretary, Professor George Magoha, claimed unscrupulous school heads deliberately inflate the number of candidates with the aim of facilitating cheating by being issued with extra exam scripts. The excess scripts are then passed on to students and others involved in the vice. Magoha, however, assured that the ministry is in control of the situation, and it is now difficult for schools to cheat in exams by inflating the number of candidates at the registration stage. Missing candidates. Schools have been using missing candidates narratives to cheat in exams. Professor Magoha said that there are some schools which used to register ghost candidates so that they can get extra exam papers and use them to leak the examination. "We know the tricks and the ministry has discovered that and arrested the situation," said Magoha, who supervised the opening of examination containers in Vihiga County. The CS claimed the school principals, after receiving extra exam papers, made photocopies and circulated the exams ahead of the sitting time. He said the ministry had noted a trend where some schools have been reporting high numbers of missing candidates, prompting the ministry to initiate investigations. Magoha said the ministry was able to trace some of the missing candidates with the help of chiefs and their assistants to ensure any candidate registered to sit exams is reached. "For genuine cases of absentee candidates, we have gone even to homes and pleaded with the children to go back and sit the exams," the secretary said. Magoha has sent a stern warning to exam managers against any attempt to abet or leak exams, saying the ministry will deal with them accordingly. He insisted that cell phones are banned from examination centers and warned that those who would break the rule would be dealt with. Only 2 phones are allowed in exam centers, one for the center manager and another for a security officer, for purposes of emergencies, and should both be kept in the manager's office.
Examination center managers have been registering extra candidates who do not exist to facilitate cheating in national exams. Education Cabinet Secretary Professor George Magoha has warned against this practice, saying anyone found guilty, or the institution rather, will incur heavy penalties. He was speaking in Vihiga County, where he further revealed how center managers collude with teachers to duplicate copies of the paper and circulate answers to candidates. And as Laura Otieno reports, one student was nabbed in Wajir County using a cell phone in the ongoing KCSE exams.
As the Ministry of Education steps up measures to ring-fence the integrity of the national examinations, Education CS George Magoha revealed how a cheating racket was unearthed, having gained traction over the years. The Education CS saying center managers register ghost candidates as part of a larger scheme to facilitate cheating, bypassing unsuspecting supervisors and security personnel.
There seem to be so many absent candidates, and some of them are actually ghost candidates. And the reason why they create ghost candidates is that there's a paper then which can be smuggled out without somebody really knowing, because you have to wait for up to half an hour to stop the candidate from coming in to take the exam. And by that time, if you are smart enough in the negative section, you will have smuggled the paper out, photocopy it and put it back.
Magoha, however, expressed confidence that the ministry is firmly on course to weed out such instances, working with administrative heads to ensure that all registered candidates sit for the exams.
If there's a child who is missing at the beginning of the exam, we go for the child at home. We have chiefs here. We have gone even to homes and taken children, pleaded with the children to go back and do the exams. There are several of them, even in this region. So there will be a few absentees, but then they'll be very genuine.
Meanwhile, one student from Wajir East was on Monday nabbed with a mobile phone in the examination hall. The Education CS calling on supervisors to enhance checks for candidates.
As we respect religion, can we also make sure that we frisk properly? We respect religion, whichever religion you have, there is freedom of worship. But don't use religion to hide a cell phone into the examination hall.
Magoha also revealed that the marking of the 2021 KCPE exams has been concluded, with the results awaiting commissioning by the president before being released later in the week. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV.
The Kenyan Teachers Service Commission, TSC, said it would take disciplinary action against teachers who actively engaged in exam malpractices in Form 4 examination KCSE examinations. TSC Secretary Nancy Macharia said the commission is awaiting a detailed report from the Kenya National Examination Council, NEC, profiling details of teachers involved in the malpractice. disciplinary action. Some people have been arraigned in court, and for those teachers who are involved, we can't allow errant teachers to taint the lives of our children, said Machari.